Oh hey, I'm making the perfect chocolate chip cookies in less than 10 minutes. Do you want to join me? When a recipe calls for soft butter, this and only this is what you should be using. It's not melted and it's perfectly spreadable. This is the perfect soft butter. Bake these either on parchment, but if you got silicone mat, use that for the best results. Okay, keep an eye on them. 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 Okay, keep an eye. I can't help it, they're so good. I had to try one. I can't help it, they're so good. I had to try one.